Hey students, and welcome to our course. Just want to take a couple minutes. I know you've got a lot of reading and studying to do this term. For some of you who are new to the program, I am Dr. Adam McClendon. Just want to connect with you for just a minute and share with you a couple details I think that will help you out as you get acclimated to the class. The first thing deals with the weekly announcements. This one is obviously going out. They are going to be embedded in the actual course. So when you access Blackboard, that's different than accessing the specific course. You go into Blackboard and it gives you a list of upcoming assignments and things like that on one of the sides of your screen. But then you actually need to go into your course for this term. Now when you go into the course for this term, you're going to immediately see your weekly announcements there. You need to read those every week. They'll also be emailed out to you. But in addition to that, I want to talk about accessing the course in general. So once you go into the course, on the left-hand side of the page, you're going to see a link that says Course Content. It's important every week that you click on that course content, that you go into it, that you look around. You'll see assignment instructions there at the top. You're also going to see Module 1 all the way through Module 8. They're laid out in the course content. Here's what I recommend. Go into your week that you're working on, in this case, week 1. Go immediately to the assignments, look at them. Figure out what assignments you have. Look at the instructions for every assignment. Then, don't start working on it yet. Go immediately back to your reading and study folder in that module. So course content, week 1, reading study folder, and read and study with the assignments in mind. So you customize your reading and your learning. That way you're able to move more quickly through the material. Then, go back into your week 1 module, go to your assignments, and start knocking out your assignments. You're familiar with the instructions at this point, you've done your reading and study, and you should be able to move through the assignment fairly quickly. Now lastly, I want to talk to you about feedback. On every written assignment, you're going to get detailed feedback. Discussion boards will be a little more general, such as, hey, let's go beyond the bare minimum, go ahead and develop this argument a little further, hey, really good job, you've given good content for other students to interact with on peer-to-peer learning. But on written assignments, I'll give inline feedback. That means in the actual document. 2 ways this will either come. One, when you look at your comments in general, you have a general comment box. Beside that, you'll have your document. When you open up your document in the window reading pane in Blackboard, I'll have a lot of comments there in it, inline comments. There'll be little call-out bubbles. You'll click on them. It'll give specific instructions. Another way I'll often do it is in the comment box, I will provide a PDF link to your graded document. When you click on it, it'll pull your document up. You can download it, but it'll have all your comments there. It is imperative that you take this feedback and incorporate it in future assignments moving into the course. So just be thinking about those things. As always, if you don't get feedback on an assignment, something is wrong. You're either accessing the wrong part or something was missed in the process. So feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to answer questions, and I hope you have a great week.